Look at you, beautiful. Turn around. Look at you. You look wonderful. Oh my God. Oh my God, makikita yung outfit mo. Oh my God, princess. Siyempre, makikita yung outfit mo.
I'm glad you're home.
You know, I always look forward to coming home. To you.
Thank you.
So, how is my baby?
We're good. Kamustahin mo na.
Okay. So, how are you, buddy? Because you're a boy.
You're not sure.
I'm sure. That's a boy. That's another. You're boy number 2, and your name is Spartacus. Yes, you are.
It might be a girl.
Then it's gonna be Xena. The one.
Shira.
Shira. Shira.
Good morning. Colonel, naisip ko yung sinabi mo sa akin, yung sa parents mo.
Yung papakilala kita sa kanila ng formal?
Naisip ko na gusto ko silang makasama for dinner. I would like to invite your family here.
Dito?
Oo. Magpapahanda ako ng dinner.
No!
Leona, mga simpleng tao lang mga magulang ko. Ayoko ma-intimidate sila dito sa palasyo. Iisip ko nga, baka pwede dun sa amin na lang.
No. Ayoko nga. Mas nakakahiya yun.
Totoo lang, naisip ko naman na yun ang sasabihin mo eh. Ganito na lang. Maghahanap na ako ng neutral place.
Sa isang private function room ng restaurant. You know how to handle these things. Ikaw nang bahala. Or pwedeng, I can ask my staff.
I'll take care of it. And, thank you for doing this.
Thank you too for wanting to introduce me to your parents.
Sir. Madam, ready na po ang sasakyan niyo.
Oh, sige. Thank you.
Mauna ka na.
And thank you to for the briefing, Colonel Gonzaga.
You're welcome, Madam President. Be safe.
Like I said on the phone, ayoko na bibiktima ng black propaganda ang anak ko. If they want war, I'll give them war.
Wag ho kayo mag-alala, Doña Victorina. Gagawan ko po ito ng paraan.
You know, I may not be politically active these days. Pero kung gugustuhin ko, pwede akong maglikha ng political misfortunes. If I want to, pwede akong manira ng career. Ayoko lang na kinakante ang pamilya ko. Is that clear?
Opo, alam ko po.
Good. And I want good publicity for my son.
Opo, Doña Victorina.
Very good.
Sir, may gusto nga po palang tumulong sa atin para sumama sa pangangampanya.
Sino?
Sila po.
Excuse me. Oh, Sir Rafael.
Georgina, Tuki, bakit kayo nandito?
Of course, we're here to help. Diba? We are Rafael's angels.
Ano sir, okay lang po ba sa inyo na sumama? Pauwiin ko na.
Okay, Georgina, Tweety, sumama na lang kayo sa amin. The more the merrier.
Ay, boga! So everybody, let's go! Let's go! Hey, Sir Rafael! 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 You go for Rafael! You go for Rafael! Hello!
Open niyo ako.
Sure, sir.
Open niyo po na yan.
Hello, you go for Rafael!
Dapat walang gusto. Baka matanggal eh, baka matanggal. Sige po mabuti. Ha? Dapat mo ha. Baka matanggal eh. Hoy, double check niyo yung sa harap ha. Kasi baka matanggal yan eh.
Thank you po, madam.
Portia, how's my schedule this week? Pakitingnan lang kung pwede mag-clear. If possible, dinner time.
May dinner po kayo, madam?
Wala. May appointment ako.
Kanino pong pangalan ang ilalagay ko sa appointment book po ninyo?
It's just dinner meeting.
Official po?
You know what? Just give me 2 hours. Kung walang masasagasaan na importanteng government function.
Okay po, ilalagay ko na lang po private engagement.
Engagement? No.